that jackhammer noise came back, even with the compressor blanket installed. Before you blame the compressor, know the real problem. Might be hiding in plain sight. Yes, your car can still make that noise even after the official fix. The acoustic blanket from Service Bulletin SB-21-18-002 is meant to quiet the heat pump compressor. Think of it like a heavy pillow pressed against a speaker. It muffles the direct noise, but vibration is tricky. When that compressor spins up past 8,000 RPM, it creates a powerful frequency that travels. It doesn't just move through the air, it moves through solid metal. Your car's frame is one connected piece of steel, and it acts like a tuning fork. That vibration will find any hard connection, bolts, brackets, or lines, to get into the cabin and resonate. Through the floor. The blanket stops the most obvious path, but it can't stop them all. So, before heading back to the shop, let's check two simple things. First, make sure the car is completely off. Then, get a flashlight and look down into the radiator fan shroud right behind the radiator. You're looking for anything that shouldn't be there. A single dry leaf, a small twig, or even a clump of pine needles can get trapped between the fan blades and the shroud. When the fans turn on to cool the system, that little piece of debris gets hit repeatedly, hundreds of times a second. It creates a rhythmic buzzing vibration that sounds and feels almost identical to the compressor issue. It's an easy thing to miss, but it's also a simple fix. Just carefully remove the debris. If the fan area is clear, your next suspect is ice, especially in freezing rain or wet, heavy snow. Look at the large lower grille opening in your front bumper. Behind it are a set of active grille shutters. These are plastic flaps that open and close automatically to help with aerodynamics and warm-up. When they get coated in ice, they can get stuck partly open. Air being pulled through by the radiator fans forces its way past these frozen, stiff shutters. This makes them buzz and vibrate like a playing card stuck in the spokes of a bicycle wheel. That vibration has a direct path right up through the car's front subframe and into the cabin. To fix this, don't try to force them open. You can park the car in a warm garage for an hour, or carefully pour some lukewarm, not hot, water over the grill to melt the ice away. You can't just ignore this new noise, even if you know it's just ice or a leaf. The car's diagnostic system isn't that smart. It uses sensors to detect excessive vibration and protect the expensive compressor from damage. It can't tell the difference between a failing compressor and a frozen shutter. So, it may still throw a fault code and put the system into a protective shutdown mode, leaving you with no heat. Even after you clear the ice, that code might stay, forcing a trip to the dealer just to reset it. So before you book another service appointment, check for simple blockages. A quick look for leaves or ice could solve the noise and save you the trip.